You're burping your baby, right? But what you do after is the problem, because that kept happening every single time. Burp her, great. Lay her down, spit up everywhere. Just because she burps doesn't mean the milk fully settles. And laying her down right after causes reflux. So now after I feed her, she goes straight into this pillow. The incline keeps the milk down and the airway open. And it has Velcro straps so she feels secure while it settles. Plus there's memory foam, so it holds its shape every single time. If you're burping them correctly and still getting spit up on, the positioning is the problem. If you want your baby to be more comfortable and save all your shirts, I will link this pillow for you.